Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
It's been a long day, but it's good to be home.
We're glad you're home.
Look, my robot can walk. Walk, robot, walk. See, Dad, it's walking.
I see. That's amazing, buddy.
That's not hard, Dad. Vanessa, be kind.
No, she's right. I can't even find my glasses in the morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Breakfast is ready. Eggs and toast.
Megan, I need to talk to you.
Jason, what's wrong? You look pale.
I got a letter from my company yesterday.
What does it say?
Dear Mr. Miller, we are sorry to tell you your position is no longer needed. The company is now using artificial intelligence to do your work. Your last day is Friday.
Oh, Jason?
20 years, Megan. I worked there for 20 years. Now, a computer does my job faster, cheaper, no mistakes.
I know. We will be okay.
Will we? The rent, the school fees, the food.
Dad? Mom? What happened?
Everything's okay, sweetie. There was just a little mix-up.
We're sorry you were worried. Okay, I was just scared.
Kids, I lost my job.
You lost it? Where did you put it? Eli, it means Dad doesn't have a job anymore. Oh no.
The company bought a new computer system. It's called AI, Artificial Intelligence. This AI can do my work. It works all day and all night. It never gets tired. It never asks for a holiday. So they don't need me anymore.
AI replaced you?
Yes, AI replaced me.
That's not fair. You're better than a computer, Dad. You're warm. Computers are cold.
Thank you, Eli. But warm doesn't pay the rent.
Okay, let's not panic. We eat breakfast first. Then we make a plan. A family always has a plan.
Software engineer, no. Data analyst, no. Warehouse manager, no. All replaced, all AI now.
Dad, how is the search going?
Not good, sweetheart. Every job I look at, either AI is doing it, or they want someone younger, someone who knows computers very well.
What did you do at your old job, Dad?
I talked to customers, I solved their problems, I made them feel heard, I made them feel important.
Dad, AI cannot do that. Not really.
I don't know, Vanessa. AI chatbots talk to customers now too.
Yes, but can a chatbot really listen? Can it truly understand when someone is sad? Can it make someone laugh at the right moment? Eli, what are you doing? I am making a business. Business?
Yes, I will make money for the family because Dad lost his job to AI, so I will make my job. AI cannot take my job because I invented it.
And what is your business?
Ellie's amazing rock painting company. One rock equals $1. You are going to paint rocks and sell them?
Yes, they are art. People love art. AI cannot paint rocks. Well, maybe it can, but my rocks have character. Oh, Eli, you are one of a kind.
But Ely, what if AI takes your customers? I know. That's why I'm not worried about AI. My business is about talking to people. AI can't do that.
You're right, Eli. That's smart.
Hey everyone, I'm home.
Hi, Dad. We're helping. Welcome home. How was your day?
Better. We'll get through this together.
Dad, you went out today? Where did you go?
I went to the community center. There's a free class, digital skills for adults.
You went to school? Dad went to school?
Yes, your old dad went to school.
Jason, that's wonderful. What will you learn?
Basic computer skills, how to use AI tools, how to make a simple website, how to find work online.
Smart, Dad. If you can't beat AI, learn to work with AI.
Exactly. That's what the teacher said. She said AI is a tool like a hammer. A hammer doesn't replace a builder. It helps a builder build better.
So, you're going to become the builder?
I'm going to try. Okay, family meeting. I have news.
Good news or bad news?
Good news!
Yes.
I have a new job. It's a small company. They help older people learn technology, and they need someone who can talk to people, listen to people, make them feel comfortable with computers, someone with patience and warmth.
Oh, Jason.
The pay is not as much as before, not yet, but it's growing. And I love it. I feel useful. I feel like me again.
I told you, Dad, AI cannot replace warmth.
You were right, sweetheart. You were absolutely right.
I knew it! Dad is better than AI! He is warm and he smells like coffee!
Oh, Eli, that's so sweet. Dad's the best. We are okay. We are more than okay. We made it through together.
We are not homeless. We were scared, but we never stopped trying. And we never stopped being a family.
Dad,
Yes, buddy?
is AI bad?
AI is not bad. AI is a powerful tool, like fire. Fire can cook your food. Fire can also burn your house. It depends on how people use it.
So, it's not the AI's fault. It's the fault of the people who used it badly?
Eli, that is a very, very smart thing to say.
Really? I know. I'm smarter than AI.
Good night, buddy.
Good night, Dad. I'm glad you found your job. Hello, friends. Great story today, right? Let's learn our new words. First word is job, work you do for money. For example, my dad has a new job. Next word is replace, to take the place of something. Example, AI replaced Dad's old job. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means smart computer systems. AI can do many things fast. Worried means feeling nervous about something bad. Like, we were worried about money. Let's look at the word rent. The meaning is money you pay to live in a house. For example, we need money to pay the rent. Next is calm. It means quiet and not panicking. Tool. A tool is something that helps you do a job. For example, AI is a tool, not an enemy. It helps us with our work.
Let's look at the word warmth. It means a feeling of kindness and love. For example, Dad's warmth cannot be replaced. It's a special feeling.
Let's look at the word community. A community is a group of people in one area. For example, the community center has free classes. So, get involved and meet new friends.
Let's look at the word together. It means as one group, not alone. For example, we made it through together. It shows the strength of being united.
For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.